too much camera. Yo, let's on this shit. You said eat it up, yo. That's nice.
No, I'm only helping him.
I'm only filming the cops.
Yeah, no, I'm helping him. No, he's okay. No, he's okay. No, it's okay. I called him. No,
okay.
Because he's hurting. He's hurting.
I understand, but I'm making sure that they don't hurt him anymore.
Oh, no, they're not going to hurt him, no.
You don't know that.
I trust them. They're not going to hurt him.
You trust the cops?
Yes.
You know that they kill people all the time?
Yes.
Yeah.
But remember, our lives matter, remember?
Exactly. You see this right here? Copwatch? I film the cops all the time.
I got you, baby.
They're always violating people's rights and shit.
No, I called him. That's what
I understand that. That don't mean they can't fuck him up right now.
No, he got to respond to them. He can tell, he knows his rights. He's nothing wrong. He needs help.
Still, I'm looking out for him.
I'm looking out for him too. You know, that's why I called. When you want somebody to call for you if something was wrong?
Nah, I don't call cops.
No, he could be really hurting. He could be
understand that.
Something out.
I understand. Good job. I'm proud of you. But the cops aren't really a help. He needs medics, not the cops.
I call who
cops
I could.
carry. I know you did a good job, but the cops, they carry weapons and shit. They're not medics. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna let them hurt him. I'm not.
That's why I'm filming.
I know. He's really hurting. He's really hurting right now.
I understand that.
He's been cheated on. He's been lied to. And I understand his life. We all been lied to, cheated on. I don't trust the cops either, but I called him for a reason.
Okay, well, if you understand people's rights, you know it's my right to film, right?
Yeah, I didn't say that.
Okay, so just let me film that.
They got their body bags. They're not gonna get in trouble.
These motherfuckers kill people all the time, man. They plant drugs on people. They beat people up.
I know, baby. I've been through it too. Okay. I've been through it with trafficking.
And this is why I'm filming.
Am I mad at you? You know I'm not.
But you keep talking about it. Just let me film. Just let me film.
I've been trying to help people, and I get fucked up in the head like.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, because I will make sure he's okay. Because I called.
I'm not.
I know he's not gonna do anything for him, but he needs help. He asked for help, and I'm helping him. Oh, I can't do San Diego no more.
Here, get in your side, my man. Bend your knees. Bend your knees.
Hey, he's just drunk, man.
I know, but he needs help.
Do you know him?
That's why.
No, I just told him he needed help.
Who is it?
No.
You don't know him?
No, he needed help. He asked for help.
He needs to have way too much.
I know he needed help. He asked for help. Hey, that's all I was trying to do. I was trying to help him.
You don't know his name, nothing like that?
No, he just needed help. He said that he needed help.
What was in his system for you guys to cut him?
What's that?
What was in his system for you to cut him?
System?
Yeah.
No. I know. Why is he getting cut when he needed help?
Because people act very...
Dude, he's fucking out of it, man. And he's cuffed.
But he needs
He can't
help.
even pick his head up.
I could.
You think he can breathe like that? He needs medical attention. He don't need to be cuffed.
No, he's drunk. So if he hit him, he's doing the right thing.
No, but why they're cuffing him?
He's drunk. He just told you.
He's fucking laying down on the ground. I understand he's drunk, but he can't even move, man. He needs medical
so
attention.
if he swing on him, he could go to jail.
This is why we film the cops, because we want to make sure that they're doing their job and not fucking hurting people. And they're not helping him right now. They're more worried about their safety.
Metro BLS 3, that's C. Do you have any further description or information?
BLS 13. Negative, Sicily. Right, 68-year-old.
Thank you. Shit.
Relax. Take your hands off. Take them off.
51, 59, 32, 7
Get up.
Silver BLS 3.
Stand up.
BLS 3, click the location, 475, West Broadway.
What's your name again?
Alright.